Hello and welcome. Are you ready to explore the essence of corporate social responsibility, CSR? In this video, we'll guide you through the key elements and the historical evolution of CSR. You'll also discover how businesses integrate ethical principles into their strategies and day-to-day operations to create a positive impact on society. Corporate social responsibility involves businesses contributing positively to society and the environment. It goes beyond legal obligations, focusing on ethical conduct and sustainable practices. Companies must balance profitability with ethical responsibilities towards stakeholders. CSR is a voluntary integration of social and environmental concerns into business operations. It overlaps with ESG standards, but has a broader scope.
CSR has evolved from philanthropic roots to strategic integration in business. Initially, it focused on charity, donations to local communities, and employee welfare activities such as healthcare, housing, and basic working conditions. Over time, it shifted towards compliance with legal regulations, including labor rights, environmental protection laws, and corporate governance standards, ensuring companies operated responsibly within set frameworks. Today, CSR is aligned with sustainability, climate responsibility, and ethical supply chains. Businesses focus on reducing their carbon footprint, promoting diversity and inclusion, ensuring fair trade, and adopting circular economy practices. It is intertwined with global frameworks like the UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, the Paris Climate Agreement, and international reporting standards such as the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, which guide organizations towards measurable social and environmental impact.
CSR is essential for building long-term business resilience. It enhances reputation and brand value, attracting ethically conscious consumers. Companies reduce risks of regulatory fines and reputational crises. Employee engagement and investor confidence are boosted by CSR practices. Operational efficiency is improved through sustainability measures.
The UK lacks a single CSR law, relying on a network of legislation. The Companies Act 2006 requires directors to consider long-term consequences and stakeholder interests. The UK Corporate Governance Code emphasizes accountability and sustainability. The Modern Slavery Act mandates transparency in supply chains. The Equality Act promotes fair treatment across protected characteristics. CSR is rooted in ethical theories like stakeholder theory and the triple bottom line. Companies must balance stakeholder interests, not just focus on shareholders. Utilitarian ethics suggest maximizing overall welfare. Deontological ethics emphasize acting ethically, regardless of profitability. These frameworks guide fair and transparent decision-making.
CSR strategies are implemented through various practical actions. Companies publish sustainability reports to demonstrate transparency. Community engagement involves volunteering and sponsorships. Supply chain ethics ensure compliance with labor rights and environmental standards. Employee well-being programs promote diversity and mental health. Environmental practices focus on net zero strategies and renewable energy. Sustainability reports are powerful tools that enable companies to demonstrate their social and environmental responsibility. They offer a structured approach to showcase ethical commitments, evaluate progress, and maintain open communication with stakeholders. Alignment with global standards. Reports are guided by frameworks such as the GRI, ensuring international consistency, comparability, and credibility. Transparency and accountability. By disclosing clear and verifiable data, companies strengthen stakeholder confidence and build long-term trust. Commitment to ethics and sustainability. These reports highlight a company's dedication to responsible business conduct and sustainable development. Progress tracking and goal setting. They allow organizations to measure achievements, identify gaps, and set ambitious future targets. Stakeholder communication. Reports act as a vital channel for engaging stakeholders, demonstrating impact and reinforcing corporate reputation.
Community engagement is a core aspect of CSR strategies. Companies participate in local sponsorships and charitable partnerships. Employee volunteering is encouraged to strengthen community ties. These activities build positive relationships and enhance brand reputation. Community engagement reflects a company's commitment to social responsibility.
Have you ever wondered how a company can truly prove it operates responsibly beyond its own walls? One of the most important ways is through supply chain ethics, a key part of CSR. Companies must ensure their suppliers respect labor rights and follow environmental standards. Laws like the Modern Slavery Act reinforce the need for transparency and accountability in supply chains. By doing this, businesses not only reduce the risk of reputational damage, but also show their genuine commitment to ethical and sustainable practices.
Promoting employee well-being is essential to CSR success. Companies foster diversity and inclusion, support work-life balance through flexible working, and invest in mental health initiatives. Together, these efforts enhance employee satisfaction and demonstrate a strong commitment to ethical and responsible workplace practices. Environmental practices are integral to CSR strategies. Companies aim for net zero emissions and use renewable energy. Waste reduction and carbon offsetting are prioritized. These practices align with global sustainability goals. They demonstrate a commitment to environmental responsibility.
Have you ever thought about who makes sure CSR is more than just a statement on paper? That's where corporate governance comes in. Effective CSR starts at the top, with board-level committees overseeing ethical practices. Whistleblowing policies create transparency and accountability, while structured stakeholder engagement ensures that diverse voices are heard. Together, these measures build trust and reinforce responsible, ethical governance.
The UK Corporate Governance Code applies to listed companies. It emphasizes accountability, transparency, and stakeholder engagement. Boards must align corporate purpose with values and strategy. Sustainability is integrated into corporate governance practices. This code guides companies in ethical decision-making.
The Modern Slavery Act emphasizes transparency within supply chains. It requires companies to publish annual slavery and trafficking statements, ensuring compliance with labor rights and reinforcing ethical practices. By promoting accountability, the Act reflects a corporate commitment to eradicating modern slavery and advancing responsible, ethical business conduct.
The Equality Act consolidates UK anti-discrimination laws. It requires fair treatment across protected characteristics. Companies must promote diversity and inclusion. This act is central to CSR responsibilities. It ensures ethical workplace practice.
The Environment Act provides a framework for environmental compliance. It focuses on reducing waste and improving air quality. Biodiversity and net zero commitments are prioritized. CSR strategies must align with this act. It reflects a commitment to environmental sustainability.
Consumer protection laws prevent misleading CSR claims. Companies can be penalized for greenwashing. These laws ensure honest communication of sustainability efforts. They protect consumers and maintain trust. Compliance with these laws is essential for CSR credibility. Stakeholder theory emphasizes balancing interests of all stakeholders. It extends beyond shareholders to include employees, customers, and communities. Companies must consider the impact of their actions on all stakeholders. This theory guides ethical decision-making. It is foundational to CSR practices.
Topic: The triple bottom line measures success through people, planet, and profit. Insert your body copy here. It encourages companies to consider social and environmental impacts. This approach aligns with sustainable business practices. It is integral to CSR strategies.
Utilitarian ethics focus on maximizing overall welfare. Deontological ethics emphasize duty to act ethically. Both frameworks guide CSR decision-making. They encourage transparent and fair business practices. These ethical theories underpin CSR principles.
In conclusion, we have learned that corporate social responsibility is essential for modern businesses. It embeds ethical principles into all areas of operation, helping companies to build trust and achieve long-term success. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp on 07484361688.